Hello guys, welcome back. In our previous video, we interfaced 7-segment display in Arduino and it was counting upwards, as you can see from the screen. That is, we are moving from 0 up to 9. Today we want to make a little bit adjustment and see how we can do a down counter, meaning it will be moving from 9 to 0 and then repeat again. So that's what we'll be doing today. Don't be intimidated, it's not something much difficult. Now we have two methods to successfully implement this particular idea. First method, let us go to the code. Stop this. This is the code that we ran the last time. So as you can see, we moved from 0 all the way to 9. So all you need to do is to copy and interchange the position of the matrix, right? Since 9 will now become 0, and then 0 will now become 9. Okay, so we move from, first it was from 0 up to 9. So this time around we are moving from 9 to 0. Easy, right? Yeah. But to interchange, you have to copy this, paste, copy from here, paste. It's time consuming though, but let us run the code and see if it's working perfectly. So now we compile. Move to Proteus. Now we are in Proteus. Double click here, go to program file. Highlight what you copied previously and then paste what you copied from the Arduino IDE. Then clear this one. Okay, so okay. Now let us click on the play button. Good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go back to 9. Okay, good. It's working perfectly. So that is the first method, interchange the position of the matrix. Now let us move on to the second method. Stop this one. Let us see. This is the previous code that we made. Let me compile and then run it so that you can see that it is working. See, it is counting from 0 up to 9, right? So now let us go and make modification to the code. If we go to the display, this for loop, the beginning of the void loop, it says that display number 0 to 9. Okay, so we need to make some adjustment, and at this point we said instead of 0 it will now be equals to 9. Okay, now before we said it will be when it is less than, it will start from 0 and then it will stop at less than, right? This sign meaning less than 10. That will be 10 minus 1, which will be 9. Okay, so this time around we're going to say, now in this time we say it's going to count from 9 and it will go up to equals, it will go greater than or equals to 0. Now the number count is not going to be increment, it's going to be decrement. So put double minus. Okay, now let us compile and see if it is working. Oh, okay, it's done compiling. Now let us move into Arduino and see whether it is working there. Now if we go to the Proteus and see, let us click on this play button. Boom. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 9 again. All right, so this is how you go about two methods. The first is to interchange the matrix, and the second one is to just play around with the for loop that displays the 7-segment. So I'm going to leave it there. If you face any trouble, just comment in the comment section below. We will be more than happy to reply to you and help you out. Thank you so much for your time, and if this is your first time, click on that red button because Aphonics has a lot in store for you. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Tata for now.